Every day that you post that generic content is a waste of time. Are we having the best strategy possible to help us go to the next level where people are thinking of us top of mind? You're going to have a perception that your audience has never seen before, and they're going to feel emotions that they've never had, and you're going to get results.
I'm Ricky with Automotive Repair Shop out of Killeen, Texas. I want to give a big thanks to Sean and his company, Storyline Marketing. His marketing, man, is phenomenal. I love it. I've never had anything like this in my life that actually works. The minute I called him, first week we got people calling. We got people in the doors, man. We got people proving jobs. You know, he's and then he does that backup, that Facebook number, so he's monitoring the calls, like I said. And we're about to make this $1 million, $2 million shop. I'm gonna tell you right now, man, Sean will do it. You need to believe he will do it. He is the man at market. He is Mr. Marketer. Whoever's out there scared and think it don't work, it will work.
What's up, guys? Lorenzo here with Automotive 4x4. See the shop in the back. Got a little bit of good news. I want to actually thank Sean from Storyline Marketing for everything he's done for us. Because of him, we are now expanding to the side of our other shop.
What's going on, guys? My name's Anthony Montoya. I hired Sean here a few months back to start running my Facebook ads, get him over here, started filming all kinds of content. Him and his videographer are great. They've done amazing work here. Appreciate that about Sean, that he's not afraid to speak his mind. It's been an awesome experience. Most definitely has my endorsement. I really appreciate him. Like I said, that his team's great and he's been fantastic.
We're on track to do $1.6 million for his automotive shop.
We're at another shop and it's not yours. I'm talking to you that have been reaching out to Storyline Marketing. We've been texting you, we've been calling you. Don't let another day go by, as right now we're here in Louisville, Texas at Louisville Car Care, and we're making them the obvious choice.